Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Assalamu alaikum, student. Wa alaikum salam, everyone. How are you all?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Wa alaikum salam, beta. Let more students join the class. I will start it. Amsal, beta, do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Alaikum salam. I hope you all know from tomorrow the timetable is changed. Fine, na? You all know about it. So tomorrow first class will be taken by your class teacher, Miss Laiba Yas. 6 green class teacher will be taking it. ठीक है ना, dear? Okay. So everyone take out the language copy. Today we will learn how to create noun with the help of suffixes, noun and adjectives. I'm not having electricity and my internet is unstable in the morning. Na daily I don't have electricity. Okay, till electricity come. Okay, wait. Let me start sharing. I hope you all have done the homework which I have given you. Done? Few students only had signed like Reja, Anisha.
Yes, I have done.
Sinan, Sharaza, what about you? Mubashir, what about you? Please open video, all of you.
Teacher, can I pen down with pointer? Can I pen down sentences with pointer?
Only Sinan, the student who had showed it to me. Yes. Who did not show, they will not do it. Okay, let me make a...
Same.
Wait, Betty, let me make your class work first. Today is 21st, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. The student who did not open the video, Humaira Iqbal, I'm removing you. Muntaha, Amna Sheikh, who is this? Okay, Rafi. Rafi, please write your own name. Please use your own nick. Abdullah Farhan, Amna Sheikh. In this manner, I can't write your attendance, better please. Log in with your own name. G. Muntaha, Amna, Abdullah Farhan. Rafi and Rahim, open the video, otherwise I'm removing you. 1 minute you're having, I have to start the classwork. Please. Abdullah Farhan.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam, beta.
Teacher, actually the work you have sent of the language, now it was deleted from our side. So teacher, can you send it again, please?
Which
Or
work?
tell me the page number.
Which work, beta?
Teacher, the homework you have given.
The workbook, I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group again.
No, the page number of a workbook that you
Beta,
have
I
shared in the
already had
WhatsApp group.
shared
You have
all
to do.
pages. Abhiya beta, all pages I had sent in the WhatsApp group. Whatever you should
And
do.
teacher, there was a what page? We have to fill in a copy, right? You have given a homework.
Page 4 of workbook, na sentence. Sentences I have given, na the vocabulary we have done in the workbook.
Okay. So teacher, the page number 4 we have to fill in the copy.
Only sentence, 4 sentences you have to make. wretch, wail, forlorn, and mournful.
Okay.
Did you understand?
कल करवा देते
Yes,
ना
teacher. Thank you.
जी जी बेटे. Amna,
Listen,
Abdullah Farhan, Rahim, Usman. Shall I remove you from the class? Quickly, beta, I have to start the class. Already we are late.
इसी वर्ड तो आपने फ्राइडे को करवा दिए थे
जी जी बेटे, ये फ्राइडे का वर्क है. Today we are doing something else. Please, Usman.
टीचर मेरा कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहा इसलिए मैं खोल नहीं पा रहा अपना.
Rahim and Abdullah Farhan. Who is this?
टीचर राहिम.
Okay, fine. Abdullah Farhan, what about you? Shall I remove you, Usman and Abdullah Farhan? Okay, they are not joining the class. Let me remove them. Abdullah Farhan. No excuse, nothing. Okay. Be attentive, sit properly. I want the language copy in the hand, please. Show me your language copy, all of you. Asghar, where is the language copy? Very good, Arisha Batul. Mubashir, where is the language copy? Rafi, where is the language copy? Usman, where is the language copy? Very good. Write today's date. Usman, be attentive and do work with me, please. Don't switch off the camera of yours, please. Avoid switching off. Usman, I will remove you from the class, please. Beta, I have to start the classwork. Would you mind to open it? And be attentive. Write today's date and start the today's work. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Everyone write this question. Look at that. Create noun with the help of suffixes. Everyone write with me so that we can move together. Draw cells with the help of pencil. The margin you should draw with the help of pencils. Look at that. Verb, formula, noun. Look at that. How will we convert? Beta, please switch off the mic of yours for a while. All the participants should do it. When you ask the question at that time, you can open it. Okay, let me do one more. Okay, look at that. Admit. It's verb. If we add verb plus shun, it will become admission. Now, create. It has the same. Create is a verb. And creation. Now, who can make it? Two you have to make by yourself. 2 block, I'm leaving it. You will make 2 word, 2 example by yourself. Now look at that. Now if we add adjective plus NESS, you can create noun. Look at that. The second formula. Adjective. The 2 boxes I leave, it's for you, for practice mode. Now here is a formula. Now here I'll create noun. How will I create? Look at that. Kind. The formula adjective plus ness. Adjective, this is the formula to create noun. Adjective plus ness. Now look at that. Kindness. It become, look, adjective become noun now. Fine. Careful. Carefulness. How I am creating noun, look at that. Fine. Two you will do by yourself. You know, there are several, like, look at that. Generate is a verb when you add or suffix. Fine. It's not important that suffix is only shan. With verb, we can add several suffixes. Fine. Generate, generator. Fine. Admit, admission, I have created shan. As I told you, there are several suffixes which only create noun. For example, more I'm creating it, look at that. Tool, I'm leaving it for you to practice more. Now again, look at that. Verb plus. So do in the same manner as I am doing the classwork, please. Quickly, quickly. Look at that. It was given in the workbook as well. Generator. Sorry, I have to write over here. Generate. Sometimes you can add ER as well. Fine. ER also create noun. These few are noun. What are noun suffixes? These are noun suffixes. I'm writing over here to help you more. These all are noun suffixes. This you can use to make more word and practice more. Nest, ship, like friendship, friendship. When you add ship plus, when you add ship in noun, fine, look at that, ship, and more we are having shiphood, brotherhood. There are more suffixes in this manner. This is your today's classwork. After sentences. In year 5, you already have done the topic affixes. Year 5, we have done na bete, affixes. What are suffix and what are prefix? Suffix change the word class, the parts of speech. Okay, who is raising the hand? Ji, Abhiya Imran, after a long time, welcome back. Where are you? Let me find. Wait, Mubashir, let Abhiya. I should ask Abhiya. Wait, where is second Abhiya? Abhiya? You have login with the 2 ID? Or I was thinking it's Abhiya Imran of 6 red. Why have you logged in with 2 IDs, bete? Okay, one idea I have removed Abhiya. I was thinking it's 6, right, Abhiya? That's why I have to mark attendance na bete. Okay. Adil Khan. Who is Adil Khan, bete? Please show me the video. Bete, you should open the video of yours so that I can mark attendance of yours. In this manner, how could I mark attendance of yours? If you don't open the video and you are logging with someone else's name. So many different names are logging today. फिर आप कहेंगे टीचर आपने हमारी अटेंडेंस नहीं लगाई. Now he left the class. Beta, who was Adil Khan? Would you please clear it to me? Mohammad Danish, beta ऐसे ना किया करें ना बच्चा. You should log in with your own name. In this manner, teacher will not mark your attendance. Okay, Mubashir, ask the question, please. पूछें बेटे. पूछे मुबशिर बेटे, ask the question, unmute yourself.
मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया था मिस जो आप ये करवा रही है नाउन ये.
What you did not understand in this? बेटे, in this junior classes, did you study about suffixes or prefixes? आपने suffix और prefix पढ़े? Did you study about it? What is the function of suffix and prefix? Do you all know? Year 6, you all know it now. We have done in year 5. याद है ना बेटे आपको? रिजा, फातिमा. Remember it? Amsal, you remember it, bete? What are suffixes?
Yes, miss. But miss, you can share screen again.
I will do that, bete. I will do it. Abhiya, you remember, bete? What are suffixes?
Yes, teacher. Miss, I want to ask that in the verb column you have make a sentence creation, and teacher then you have leave a two blocks for practice. So teacher, Shan, can we make a ER or R sentence?
No, bete. The same na ER or OR we have done later na. So practice wherever I leave the space for you.
Teacher, in the practice column we have to make the sentence of Shan.
Not shun, bete. Don't make sentence. You have to create word only. आप word generate कर रहे हैं from the root word. We are generating and creating word from the root word. हम base form से word generate कर रहे हैं. You know, every word has a root form. हर word की एक root form होती है base form, जिससे आप new words को generate करते हैं. Do you know that?
Yes.
Mubashir, do you know it?
Teacher, show the screen again, please.
I will do it. Mubashir, do you know it?
Miss.
बेटे हर word की family होती है. There is a family of every word. Every word has a family. जैसे हमारी family होती है ना, इस तरह words की भी family होती हैं. Organ होता है, different class होती है. Do you know it?
No, miss.
आपको पता है?
No.
No, you don't know. Okay, कोई बात नहीं बेटे. For example, every word belongs to some class. Parts of it. We are having different parts of speech. For example, noun, pronoun, adjective, all are the word class, the parts of speech. Fine. So we can create it by adding suffixes. Fine. हम word class को create करते हैं by adding few letter at the end. Clear? What do we do? जब हम suffix हम few letter, look at that example. Suffix is the grammatical term, and in that we add few letter to the root word. Root word base form कहलाती है. हर word की base form जो first form base form होती है जिससे हम और word generate करते हैं. ये हमारी root form है जो यहाँ पे मैं आपको लिख रही हूँ ना. This is the root form. यहाँ अगर मैंने verb लिख दिया तो आप इसको root लिख दें, base form लिख दें. To clear you more, root word. These are root word. Fine. Let me make 2 cell over here to make you clear more. Look at that. These all are not the first word are the root word. This was the root word. The first column, these all are the root word. These all are base form. And from this base form, I'm creating the other word class. For example, why I'm making formula. In this formula, I'm adding suffix. What I'm doing in the formula? Adding suffix into root word. Adding suffix. Adding suffix in root word. This is the formula. Suffix we add at the end of root word. Where do we add? To create new word class. Mubashir, it's for you. I explain it more because you did not get it. What are suffixes? Suffixes is the term of grammar. Fine. We add it at the end of the root word to create more parts of speech. For example, adjective to adverb, verb to noun. These all are creation. We are creating new word, generating new word. Usman, you are not having the copy in the hand. You are not doing the work right now. You are sleeping right now. What is this, bete? Where is the copy? Be attentive. Okay, Mubashir, this guideline is for you because you don't know it. This was our today's topic, and what are suffixes? I explain it more. Add few letters at the end of root word to change the class of the word. Fine. These are the examples.